Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Yyai stock. This one on Friday was up by just 0.83%, but given the context of the last week that we have seen, it could be a very good sign. Let's have a speak about this in tonight's video. I'm going to be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy these daily updates, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. At the same time, I'm not a financial advisor, so do make sure you are doing your own research. Now, a few things standing out to me over here. Well, of course, we are seeing the stock, as I say, hit this bottom, and this is right around the 1128 range. Of course, I'm talking about the cent 1128, like that, okay? So we've seen this actually holding this range as of the late part of the week. If you draw back to Friday the 10th, which is of course last week, you can see this level was what we hit with the wick of the candle. And again, so far this appears to be holding up nicely. For this reason, I am keeping it very simple. A drop into the 10 range at all is quite concerning, right? This is the 1-1 range. A drop into the 1-0 range is quite concerning. Again, the good news here is we are seeing a green day. Even if it's flat, this could be the start of some consolidation, right? We need to see that consolidation. We are looking for that potential trend change here. That is essentially the whole move that everyone is paying attention to. The bad news as of yet, we are still struggling with resistance levels around 14.15. This is this point here. This is also here too. To a degree, we've seen this here. If you can break that, you could be looking for pushes onto 14.76. You could be looking at 15.54. You could be looking right up to numbers such as 16.84, 16.90, all the way up to 17.30. So of course, we do have that room to run if this one does get moving. This is always going to be a high risk, high reward play, guys. You already know that. This is a stock which is down massively. Essentially, it looks like people are waiting for the reversal, and again, it's a very early sign. Are we there yet? Not necessarily, but again, as a potential bottom, I would be looking at that 0.11 range. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, but I do want to hear what you guys have to say. I'm really watching this bottom. Again, if we drop below that, things do get very worrying, but if we don't, if we consolidate, this could be an interesting beginning of a potential move to the upside. Thank you for your time, guys. Let me know your thoughts, as I say, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye for now.